So welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually check the signal strength and the signal quality on your SuperBox decoder. So maybe a channel is unstable and you would like to check the signal strength and the signal quality to know whether the problem is coming from the TV company or your satellite dish or the cables being connected onto the decoder. So all you got to do is to place it on that particular channel that's not stable. If it happens to be that every single channel on the SuperBox decoder is behaving that way too, you just place it on any particular channel, and then all you have to do after placing it on that channel is to press on the menu button on the remote after placing it on that particular channel. So let's select this channel right here, NBC3, and as you can see the channel is unstable, and all you have to do is to press on the menu button, and from the menu here use the arrow keys to pass through the menu option, and then you come to the installation, you press OK on it, and you need to confirm with the default password on the SuperBox decoder, which is supposed to be 4 zeros. You type in 000 on the remote for it to open up, and you have the installation type supposed to be satellite. If the channel that you place on it is a terrestrial one too, you place it on the terrestrial as well, and then if it's a satellite, supposedly you come to the satellite antenna settings, you press OK on it, and here is gonna actually show you the channel that is working currently on the screen, the signal strength of it. So you come down or look down, you have the signal strength, that's the signal strength of the LNB and the cable, and we have the signal quality that actually indicates the signal you are getting from the satellite or the signal the LNB is actually getting you from that particular frequency. So if it happens to be that, as you can see on the screen, we have 61% and it goes down to 59, but if it happens to be that it goes to red, or maybe 10, 15, comes to 30, 40, 45, 50, and it's unstable, all you have to do is to adjust the satellite dish to get a stable signal, or stabilize the signal quality to have enough of it before the channel will start working perfectly for you. So if it happens to be that when you come here you check the signal quality and it's stable more than 50% or more than 60%, and still the channel is behaving that way, maybe it happens to be that it's one particular channel that's behaving that way, and the problem will be from the TV providers, and with that one you can't do anything to solve that problem. So all you got to do is to just sit back and then wait for them to solve that particular problem on the channel for you to get access to view it smoothly. So that's it. If this video has been helpful and you are new here, share the video, like the video, and subscribe as well, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.